Good morning. Today we will learn few operations in the Excel. First, we'll start with cell formatting. So in cell formatting, we have different types of options available. So you can bold the text, you can uh, different options. One by one, we'll see. See, when the text is, you have to highlight any text, then you can use the bold option. Bold option is, if you follow my cursor, you can see here. Bold option is available here, B. If you click it, automatically it becomes bold. If you again click it, it becomes normal. Or else you can use a simple shortcut key, Control B. If you select the text which you want to highlight, you can select the cell of that particular text and press Control B. Automatically, it becomes text. So once you enter the data, if you want to sort the data, suppose if you see here, the data was time in minutes was 1.5, 6.5, 5.5, 4.5. It is not in any order. So if you want to change the data into order, just select the data. After selecting the data, go to the right corner of the menu. You can see here sort and filter. Just click sort and filter and click sort smallest to largest. Then you can see the change here that was taken place. It converted into 0.5, 1.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5. So you can not only smallest to largest, you can convert largest number to smallest according to your requirement. Again, you can select sort largest to smallest. Again, the largest value will come up and smallest value will go down. So if you want to identify the which product is giving high sales to you, and if you want to make that to come at top, you can use largest to smallest. And also you can use by using this here, if you see the sales 5,000, 15,000, 20,000, again go sort, click sort smallest to highest number. Then automatically it converts 5,000, 15,000, 20, 45, 50. Here also salesmen, you want to find out which salesman has made highest sales. Just to select, click sort largest to smallest. Then it will ask you to expand. Suppose if I change only this, if it is not going to change, that means if I change sales done, salesman was not changed, then the values will become wrong values. So then the system will ask you, you want me to change the data of salesman also. That is why this pop-up menu has been raised. Then click on sort. Automatically change will happen. Then Harry has made highest scales. We can identify here. So you can arrange the date also in ascending order by clicking the sort. Ninth month, 10th month, 11th month, 12th month. If you have mentioned here, here may come. Here also you can sort. Suppose I change it here. Then again I am selecting. Go to the sort. Oldest to newest. So now this 7/10/2025 have came down. So like that sorting can be used here. If you go to the filtering, instead of sorting, if you want to just find out, you can select the title and go to the again same option, select filter, then come back. If you want to know the Amazon customer, you can click select Amazon and you can get the Amazon data. I want to know Google data, then uncheck Amazon, click Google, you'll get Google data. So like this, you can filter the data. And pivot table, if you want to know any particular sales of a particular or the this is the raw data. You want to make it a consolidated data, then you can go to the insert, click on pivot table, and after that select the total sales data, then click OK. Automatically you can see one window here. Why it appears here? Because the cursor was here. I want the result here. So after that, if you select date, the date will come. If you select price, the product will come. If you select the region will come. If you select the name will come. If you select the units will come. If you select the sales will come. Suppose if you see fourth 11, total sales was 11,324 units. But in the raw data, fourth 11, we have three entries. These three entries has been consolidated and made it as a single entry. So this is the best use of pivot table. So how to use pivot table? It's very simple process. Suppose once again, I'll repeat this pivot table. I want the data to be appear here. So I'm clicking here. After that, go to the insert, click pivot table, select the region. After selecting the region, click OK. Once you click OK, you can see here, you can see another window here. Just click on date if you want to get the date. Click on the units, number of units if you want to see. And click on sales, total sales amount if you want to find out. So automatically it will consolidate the data and you can get the total data. So how to create the charts in Excel? So select the data and go to the insert option again. Click on charts. You can see different types of charts. You can, if you want a pie chart, you can click the pie chart and you can get the pie chart automatically. So it is very simple to create charts in Excel once the data was ready. If you want a bar chart, again select the total data, go to insert, click on bar chart, click the type of chart that you want, chart will appear here. Once you move the cursor, you can see the value. Quarter 1, we have 2000 value. Quarter 2, we have 1500. Quarter 3, you have 1000 value. Quarter 4, you have 2500 value. So like this, you can see the values also. This is how we can create the charts. So when it comes to the data validation, we can do data validations also. So for today, these are the important concepts that I want to discuss. In next video, again, I'll come out with a few more Excel actions. Thank you.